Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. For today's video, we got the Beautylish Lucky Bag XL. I'm pretty sure I paid for the extra large. I have never opened a Beautylish bag in my life. And I told myself in 2025, it is going to be that year that I open a Beautylish Lucky Bag because I've been seeing them for the past couple years. I always forget to sign up for the email notification. I was like, I'm not doing it this year. I'm going to get it done. And I'm so excited for this. I don't know what's in here. And I think it's like 8 products. Let me look it up really fast for you. So it doesn't say like how much is in here. It just says it's $150 for 300 plus worth of products. I don't know how much, and I know Beautylish is like a big UK brand, so they do a lot of different makeup products, beauty products kind of thing. And you could have got either Wayne Goss Lucky Bag, Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lucky Bag Original Lucky Bag. That one was $75, and I got the XL for $150. I know in years past they've had the Nessa Myricks eyeshadow palettes, and those are worth like $150 itself, or $100, and I've always wanted a domestic Myricks eyeshadow palette because they just look beautiful, and I really hope a new one is in here. I really do. I'm praying, Beautylish gods, please give me a domestic Myricks palette. Like, that would be so cool. So let's open this up. So this is the Lucky Bag. I wonder if I can take it out. So this is the bag for this year. I don't know if you can see it, and that is the design of the bag. It's like a duck with a bunch of makeup products, and the person is in there. I think it's so cool how they wrap this and says, "You're one lucky duck." This is packed with a splash of joy, sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. So that is the Beautylish saying, like a little thank you kind of thing. That is the design. I love the presentation. I really hope more brands can do this. Like, this is so freaking cool. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm hoping I don't ruin the package though. And this is the Beautylish, I think it's a poster that you get to keep. Oh, that's cool. So it's just a little poster. That's actually really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside. Oh, here's my bag. Ooh, I'm seeing some Charlotte Tilbury and Charlotte. Okay, so first we got Orbe. Orbe, I know this is a really like fancy brand. This is a detangling shampoo. Let's look up how much this is. It's $49, and you can get it at Sephora, okay? That is crazy. $49 for a shampoo. I would never in my life pay $49 for a shampoo. My shampoo's like 10 bucks. And I don't think I'm gonna pay more than that. So it's crazy, but I'm happy I got it because this makes me try like expensive things without me paying for the full price. This is beautiful. This is luxury. Look at this. Look at this. That is so beautiful. The beautiful baby blue color. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And it is made in New York. I think so. Anyways, does it smell good? 8.5 fluid ounces. That is so pretty. Smells like a salon. That is the first product. So far so good. We are getting luxury items. The second product is Good Molecules, and this I know you can find at Ulta. This is on the lower price end, but I do like that they can give you a mix of like lower price end drugstore, because I know you can get this at like Target, and like higher end, so a little bit of everything. So if you like lower end stuff, you're gonna like this. These are pimple patches, which I have not tried the Good Molecules pimple patches. I didn't know they had one. My personal ones are the Hero ones, and I'm glad I'm trying these because the Hero ones are like $10. So these are $8, $8.99 depending where you get them. A pack of 60, not bad. So basically what it is this is hydrochloride. Yes, and basically if you have a little white spot or a pimple coming out, you put it on there and it sucks everything out overnight. I have really good experience with pimple patches. Like, they really work on me. They're very effective on me. So let me see if I can open this up for you. So you cannot see them, but they're clear pimple patches. Okay. Oh, it's a VCR palette. Okay, not Domestic Myricks, but VCR is pretty expensive. So I'm actually really excited to have this. This is a professional makeup brand. Like, this is what like the pro MUAs use. And this is 35 shade professional makeup. Oh, let's open it up. It's a very luxe. Look at that. Look at that shininess. This looks beautiful. Let's open it up together. Ooh, okay. I wish it had a mirror. Does this open up for a mirror? Oh, those shadows are nice. Look, do you see how it looks like a pro makeup kit? So you got very light shades, which I like because a lot of palettes don't give us like these very light shades. Dark shades, lots of neutrals. They're all matte. I wish it had some shimmers. I really do, but it's pretty nice. I will definitely use this. Like, I feel like this for traveling, since it's kind of compact and it has all the colors, it just doesn't have a mirror. Like, I kind of wish it would have got a mirror. I do like the feel of it. Like, this feels heavy. This is a heavy palette, but I wish I had a mirror. I really do. Oh, nice. And then it has a little flap and it stays like that. So it's gonna protect it. That's nice. And it has all the shade colors in the back. That is all the shade colors. This is $150. I don't see it. $150? I cannot. You can get this at Beautylish, Beauty Bay. That's insane. Maybe Viseart.com, I'm guessing. $150 for this? You know what's kind of nice though? I like it that I can use all of these different mattes because I will get use out of it. And then I have my little ColourPop shadow sticks, or like the shadow pots. And they're gonna look so good with the little glimmer on top. Let's just... Okay, they are pigmented. Oh, okay, I swatched those 4 colors. They are very pigmented. They swatched nicely. That's a horrible swatch. I think these are buildable, which is nice and not necessarily super like impactful. Maybe I need to play with it, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't know how to feel. $150 for eyeshadow, that's kind of crazy. I'm glad I got it in this bag because I would not pay $150. Okay, so next we got this. Oh, and by the way, I haven't seen any videos. I've been trying to keep off of YouTube so I don't see anything. So that's why I'm like, I need to get this out of here fast. This is Smoke Reflect Entice Cream and Powder Eyeshadow Duo. Oh, and it's by it's the brand. And that is the thing. And it's a cute little pot. See, let's go ahead and open it. It's an eyeshadow duo. Where's it? Oh, I see the duo. Cream and Powder Eyeshadow Duo. Oh wait, that's cool. Oh, it has a little mirror. Oh, that's adorable. Oh. I kind of popped it out and it went everywhere. Okay, so it's a brown, like gold green brown color, gray color. That's the color right there. Holy moly, this is pigmented. See, this is what I wanted from that Viseart palette. Look, that is that color. It's a cream. I hope it dries. I really hope it dries. It's basically the pot, right, with the cream. It's pretty cool, and it has the logo on there. The glass, I like the frosted glass. And then on top of it, right here, so you see the logo right there too. See the logo right there? On top, you open it. Sorry guys, I have nails, so it's a little hard. And then it has the like very silvery shimmer, and then it has a mirror, which is so freaking cool. Okay, so this is definitely like a topper. Look at that. So that's that color. Look at how reflective that is. That's crazy. So it's definitely a topper because it doesn't really have a base to it. So that is that one. You see how you can barely see it because it's a topper? So I'm thinking that it's supposed to go on top of the green. Ooh, it has more like a gold reflex now that it's on the green. And now that's how it looks on top of the dark green. Ooh, I low-key kind of like this. And it has a little stopper. Oh, this was for the stopper for the cream so it doesn't dry out. Let me put it back on. Okay, and that was the fourth. So that was the 4th item, which was the shadow. I kind of really like this one. I really like it. The 5th item is a hair clip. I don't care for hair clips in bags, but maybe I'll like. This is the Kitsch Recycled Claw Clip. It is this peachy nudie color, and it's just a claw clip. It's very like sturdy, I will tell you that. Very sturdy. It kind of has a weight to it. $10. So this is worth $10, and you can get these at Ulta. So I'm glad it's $10, not like a ridiculous price, but still, you know. Item is something in here. Ooh, this is Joey. Oh, this is pretty. I mean, we already got our money's worth, right? Because that Viseart palette is $150. That's crazy. I wish I got away with that. Didn't my Ricks, but it's fine. I'll take Viseart. It's fine. This is Joey Blush Bouquet Duo Blush Palette. Look at how pretty it is with the little roses on there and this pretty pink color. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's so pretty. Look, the mirror's on the back. So it got 2 blushes, Clementine and Violet. Oh, I love these. These are so nice. So it is violet and this is clementine. It has a little protector, so don't mind it. But that is clementine and that is violet. You can see more as I'm turning it so the lights aren't directly on it. Look at how pretty these blushes are. I will definitely get use out of this. I love these types of colors. I don't really use this pink, but I feel like it can brighten up a look a lot. So I am so excited about this. I really hope they perform well. I haven't had lots of Jouer products. I think I've had like 1 or 2 and I've had good luck with them so far. So I'm really excited to try this blush and I think it's a good addition that they added this type of blush in. I think people would be really happy about it. So these are $34. Pretty good for two things. Ooh, we got some Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Collagen Lip Bath. Collagen enhanced lip plumping effect. Ooh, and this is in the color Pillow Talk Deep. I like how they gave us a deep color and not just a regular Pillow Talk. Charlotte Tilbury is pretty expensive, like pretty. Oh, this bag is worth it. This bag is so worth it. Look at this look at this brown color, this brownie color. Oh my goodness, and it's like a lip oil, and look at it. Look at the applicator. The applicator is a heart. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I'm guessing this is just like a nourishing lip balm kind of thing. Some collagen, so it's like a lip plumper balm. That is the color swatched. So it's like a light brown kind of color. Obviously it looks a lot darker in the tube, but I'm guessing you can build it up, you know, to get that deep, rich color. Look at that. So it's getting a little bit dark. That is the color right there. Oh, it smells minty. I like it. I like this. $35. I thought it was gonna be like 30 something. $35. Dang. Lip bath. So it's like a gloss. Ooh. This I'm excited for. I really like that. And then we got the Minu brightening sunscreen. Mineral Broad Spectrum SPF Gel Cream. I've never had a gel sunscreen, so I'm actually really excited to try this. Titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Okay, so this is a Minu sunscreen. This is a really good product to put in because sunscreens can be a little pricey. So I'm glad that they put this in. That way we could actually like try the product and see if we like it. And I'm always down to try new sunscreens, specifically if it's like a gel formula. I've never had a gel and I love gel because my skin's very dry. So I need something that's more gonna be nourishing. So that is the bottle for the sunscreen. My lights are not picking it up because it's so bright. And then it's just gel formula. So that is the formula. Let's see, let's do a little bit. So it has like a color to it. It has like a tint. See that? Is this supposed to have tint? No. This lightweight, clean feeling gel cream vanishes on all skin tones with a lit from within glow. Okay, so it's more like a highlighter kind of thing. And mineral rich formula provides broad spectrum UVA, UVB, PA plus. It has a lot of pluses in there. Informed infrared blue light and environmental protection. Water resistance for 40 minutes, will not clog pores. Okay, so yeah, after I basically like sheared it out, it's just a very glowy sunscreen. Very interesting. I'm gonna try this once the sun comes back up because we are in vampire season right now. So once it comes back up, I'll start using this. $58. $58. High ticket prices right now. That is crazy. And last but not least, I think that's the end of my bag. Oh, it fell. Is a brush. I think it's Japanese. It's a brush. It's a wood. Like this is actual wood, which is really nice. And it's a little pencil brush. Not bad. This is the Sonia. Let me look it up. Found it. $26. $26. So very interesting. It's a lot of money for $26, but I think it's because it's wood. Like it's actual wood, which is pretty cool. And the barrel like fits nicely. It's like not super thin, it's not super thick. Like if you need to do detail work, I think this is like a professional brush, which is very nice. So yeah. So overall, what do I think? A lot of money. I'm pretty sure we made our money's worth. I think my favorite, oh my god, I have hair everywhere. I think my favorite things is the lip gloss, the eyeshadow palette, which I think I'm actually gonna use a lot. More than you think. I'm gonna get good use out of this. And then the Jouer blush. I think with just these 3 products, we made our money's back because stuff is expensive. And then we got like the shampoo, the sunscreen, pimple patches, and we got the other eyeshadow, the little pencil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. not bad, not bad at all. I wish there was dentist in my ears, that's the only thing, but I think I'm gonna get used out of my Viseart palette, and I'm really excited that they threw in the cold blush because that blush looks so beautiful, and the lip gloss, the sunscreen I feel like I'm gonna use. I think I might use everything, honestly. I think I might use everything, but yeah. So let me know what you think of this Beautylish Lucky Bag XL. I know every Beautylish Lucky Bag, they're similar, but they're not the same. So let me know if you got different products than I did. Did you get the regular one? Did you get the XL? Should I have just got the regular one? I think I'm gonna start watching YouTube videos now because I don't know the different varieties that everyone had. So we'll see what they think. This is the total. Was it over $300? Let me know. I can't do math that fast, but Sally in the future is gonna editing. Sally's probably gonna hate me, and she's gonna do the math for me, and it's right here. But thank you so much for coming. If you like these types of videos, types of vibes, types of style, you can always go ahead and subscribe so you can see more content like this. It would really mean the world to me if you do see me part of the Sally family. Like the video before you leave, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.